welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, man, this one kind of beat up. '08, guys. '08 Dodge Ram 1500. Yeah, you can tell by the instrument cluster. No start. It's in for no start. I don't know. Let's. Oh, might need to go get my jump box. Might be not starting because of low voltage to the battery, but oh, that sounds pretty strong to me. Hold on. Okay, I got starter. Starter's trying to crank it. Hold on. I think we need a starter, guys. Let's go take a peek. This is according to the emblem, this is a 5.7 Hemi. All right. Hey, look at the little, what you call this? All right, what we have here? Yes, nice, pretty. Hey, look at these flimsy. I am no big fan of this. Oh, see, stuff like this. This irks me, guys. And you know what's weird? These are replaceable. Some of the older models, the terminals are not replaceable. So if Chrysler had sense enough to give you replaceable terminals, get a good one. You know, they sell these at the dealer. Like, this is a good one too, but look at it. Oh my goodness, what is wrong with people? Guys, on the newer cars, I'm gonna tell y'all something. I'm gonna give y'all the online mechanic tips. The majority of your electrical problems are generated from poor connections at battery. I'm talking anything from mostly all your electrical issue. In other words, what I'm trying to say is this should be the first thing you check when you have an electrical issue. And I'm not just talking about the physical charge of the battery. I'm talking about the freaking connection. That connection is more important. Oh, it's very important. Let me put it like that. But is that causing that starter to click? I don't know. I need to go get my jump box. Look. So, that is a new battery, and this is a new alternator. Somebody chasing. I wonder there's a new starter on here. Come from a dealer, or come from another. It was towed in, come from somewhere. I don't know where it came from, but I remember him telling me I got a new start Dodge Ram 1500. And I'm thinking it's one of the newer ones because I'm no big fan of these older model huge cars like this, guy. That's not, even though it's a typical Hemi, 5.7 Hemi. Yeah, I'm no big fan of the old. I guess I'm spoiled. I just want to work on new stuff. Go figure. The newer stuff shouldn't be breaking, right? We hardly ever see any older stuff. Now, I understand why. I mean, because the expense, the prices are high. It could get a little bit outrageous, guys. So, I'm going to go get my jump box, guys. I don't know. I'm suspecting. Yeah. I'm gonna go get a 10 millimeter. I'm gonna try to tighten it. I'm gonna go get my jump, but I had good horn. See, that sounds, it's nice and strong. As a matter of fact, tell you what, guys, let's do this. I guess it still could be a connection issue. Let me go and get my jump box. I tell y'all what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take a quick break, go back inside the shop, which I should have did anyway. I don't know what I was thinking. And grab my patented jump box. I got a jump box, guys. I want to showcase to y'all too. So this company sent me, want me to do a review on it. I think it's a pretty good jump box. All right. Yes, for the money, I think it's a damn good jump box. But we'll talk about that later. All right. For right now, let me go get my jump box, guys. Stay tuned. Ooh, ready, guys. I'm back. Went and got my jump box. We're gonna try to. Let me recap what we're doing. I have a '08 Dodge, actually a Ram 1500. No start, no crank, no nothing. All right, now I do, however, hear the starter trying to do something, but it's just not doing anything. So naturally, guys, I'm just gonna try to jump it off, see if that's the issue. You know, it's worth a try. Oh wow, I'm getting 12 volts, man. This battery is more full charge than my jump box. And I got it off. So let's turn it on. Let's see what happens, man. I don't know. All right, so again, full sun. All right, guys. I think we need a starter. Now, due to the fact that it's a new battery and a new alternator, I'm curious to know if they replaced the starter. Can I crawl under here? Is this deep enough? Anybody ever been under here? Where is it started at? Oh, that's the only thing. I got to have 12 volts going to the solenoid, right? Uh-oh, guys. That looked like a freaking new starter. Oh, my goodness. Y'all see that? Holy crap. So let me get this straight. Follow me, guys. I have a new battery, a new alternator, and looking at this, a new starter, and truck still not starting. Now, as far as connection, I'm aware of the loose battery connection, but I have a jump box on it, so I'm basically simulating. I can simulate good connections. So I obviously have 12 volts going to the starter solenoid, right? Or that solenoid wouldn't click and try to engage the starter, the armature into the flywheel. That's what happened when the car tried to start. The armature will engage the flywheel and rotate it in hopes of cranking and starting the engine. That is what's not happening. Oh my God, I'm telling you, I'm gonna have to tow this sucker, push this sucker inside. Oh. Man, I can't catch a break, guys. Man, one damn thing is another. Is that on right? Look at this connection. Who worked on this car? Oh man, what y'all think? What y'all suggest? This car was towed. Let me climb up here. Okay. I don't know what getting a closer look gonna do. I guess I'm hoping to see a loose ground would cause that. Yes. Okay. But I gotta get it in the shop. Oh shit. How's this thing? I hope it ain't nothing. Uh-oh. A little bit in there. Let me check the oil and transmission fluid. I got a dipstick, guys. When last time y'all seen a freaking dipstick? I know, right? It's like something shocking when you see a damn dipstick. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, holy crap. Can y'all see that? Wait a minute. Wait a freaking minute. There is nothing. Okay, maybe I'm seeing things. All right. Guys, I know I should use a rag, but I'm in panic mode right now. All right, this stick is clean. I need y'all to follow me here. I just clean it, right? Let me put this back in here. And we going back in. We're going all the way down. And we pulling it out. And what we will find... nothing! Holy crap! I'm gonna make sure y'all see this. There is nothing on the stick, guys. Oh my goodness, this engine could be locked up. All right, guys, I gotta go grab it. Let me go grab a breaker bar. Let me see. Try to feel on here. I'm thinking it's a 13, 16 head. Yeah, let me take a break right quick. Let me go grab a breaker bar. I gotta try to rotate this engine. This engine could very well be seized up, guys. That's what no oil would get you. A seized up engine. Oh my freaking goodness. I'll be back. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys. We're back here at the truck. I got me a breaker bar and a 1316. We're gonna, I'm thinking, guys, I can get a better bite on this crankshaft underneath. What y'all think? Let's go down here. Maybe I will not have to push this in. Yes, I can get a better shot right here. All right. I cannot believe ain't no freaking oil. Mechanics working on this car, putting all these. All right, y'all know me. I don't like to dog people out, but at some point, you gotta go. What the hell? All right. All right, it's simple, guys. If I can't rotate this freaking engine, it's seized up. This engine is seized, guys. Holy crap. Let me try to go the other way. moved a little bit. Damage is done, guys. We need an engine. This engine is locked up. All right, I cannot. I was able to move a little bit, but even that's all right. Well, so much for that. All right, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm done. I have to close this video. I'm gonna go up here and talk to somebody, let them know what's going on. Guys, I hope y'all follow me. If nothing else, I hope you got out of this video was your car have to have oil in it to run properly, or to run at all. If not, it will seize up, and you will eventually be misled to believe that you need a starter, an alternator, and a battery. Never mind the connectors. You just need these three. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.